Boy, you hate that, Keith. You'd really like to be able to give them an answer.
Yeah, 9:33, your phone's going to be back on. But,
love to be
I'll tell you what, Dave, if we can do that, we can go to Vegas and do real well,
Right. And I will say this, the power companies, for the most part, when we've dealt with them, they don't say, hey, it should be back up in an hour if it is not. So they are usually pretty good at giving us a time frame. We've got another caller. You're on the air. Who's calling, please?
This is your coworker, Kathy St. John, driving around on fumes, and I think I'm going to have to go home on my fumes.
You're going home on your fumes.
Why is that now?
It is a madhouse.
See, now, if you had been listening all day long, Kathy, you would have known that. We've been talking about that madhouse all day long.
Well, I have to be at work in the morning. I need gas.
Well, it may
Well,
not
I'll tell you what, why don't you just come on over now? You can just find your place and camp out. It's relatively cool down here in the basement.
I think I'm going to have to, Riley's is open, and their drive-thru is backed up all the way to Staples.
Wow.
What's open?
Riley's?
Rallies is open, and
They are selling some hamburgers.
they're backed up to Staples.
The drive-thru's backed up to Staples, and the people are lined up out to the road, like to the window where you order hamburgers.
All right.
So, and I tried Sheets on Eisenhower Drive, and the line is backed up into the road. They're blocking the road. The whole Kroger, Shell on Eisenhower Drive ran out of gas. They have no gas now.
Which one is that now, the Shell?
Shell Station on Eisenhower Drive has no gas. They're sold out. They have no gas to sell.
Okay.
They're opening their closed up and everything, but they ran out of gas about 10 minutes ago.
All right.
Okay, Kathy, well, thanks a lot. Be careful, and when you come back by, be sure to get mine with lettuce, tomato,